everyone, I'm Michelle, this is Erin, this is Megan, and we're the program coordinators at the SIEC, and we're here to tell you about our upcoming events in December.
Big news at the SIEC, our new edition of Relevance just came out, and it's being shipped around the province right now and available online at contact360.ca/relevance. Teachers, you can also access a discussion guide on there to lead your students through some awesome career development stories and our 2022 job chart.
In December, our Spotlight on Careers will explore the tech sector. On Wednesday, December 8th, join us for our virtual Spotlight on Tech Career Pathways panel, where we will hear from the University of Saskatchewan's Computer Science Department as well as industry professionals. And this event is open for individual students to register, but also any classes interested in learning about the tech sector. Be sure to check out our website to learn more about careers in the tech sector. You can hear from industry professionals in our Spotlight on Tech video series. You can hear from the different post-secondary opportunities in our province, as well as view our 2020-2021 Tech Sector Career Pathways panel.
Now, I know boot camps are over for 2021, but don't you fret. In 2022, we have a whole new lineup coming at you. So keep an eye on our website and our socials for all that information.
Hey, and our SAS Money program this month has a couple of offerings for you. Teachers, we have an opportunity for you to learn about our financial literacy program. Students, there's a $10,000 top prize if you're in high school, so something you want to check out. And we also have a presentation from the Canada Revenue Agency about an introduction to taxes and what really happens on those paychecks of ours. And also, we've had some updates over the last month on sasmoney.ca, so check those out. SAS Money video page with our SAS Money Minute and some past events, as well as some recommended financial literacy programs. Go to sasmoney.ca to check it all out.
We are very excited to partner with SAS Polytech to offer free job-ready training, including the warehouse program that offers 5 certifications valued at $2,500 free of charge. We are also offering the Early Childhood Education program, where you can earn high school credits that go towards your post-secondary early childhood education training. Savings are up to $500 per course. Contact Jill or Michelle on your screen to get more information.
And be sure to follow us on our socials to stay up to date with all things SIEC.
We're looking forward to working with you, and happy holidays.